Today, we're going to talk about one of the most useful use cases of Chat GPT. With this information, you will be able to learn and integrate knowledge faster than anyone else. Personal growth books are a valuable resource for anyone who wants to improve themselves and their lives. These books offer insights and strategies for personal development, helping you to overcome challenges, increase self-awareness, and achieve your goals. Whether you're looking to improve your relationships, career, health, or mindset, there's a personal growth book out there that can help you. But reading a book is only half the battle. The real challenge is integrating the principles and strategies into your daily life. That's where Chat GPT comes in. Chat GPT is trained to process a massive amount of text data, including personal growth books, in seconds. Chat GPT will pull the key principles of the book out and develop a personalized growth plan to integrate this knowledge into your daily life. So to start, just open Chat GPT and type "Act as a life development coach." Build me a 4-week plan to start integrating the principles of the book. Then you type your selected book and its author. In my case, the name of the book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This will save you way too many hours because you no longer have to read a book, digest the information, build a plan, or actively focus on integrating what you learned into your life. All you have to do is to follow the plan it made for you, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found this information helpful and that it will enable you to continue your personal growth journey. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you next week.